Go.
You gonna make us all sandwiches, buddy?
I'm gonna make us some sandwiches.
Here we are at the beach having a good old time, getting ready to make some sandwiches. Hope we don't get any sand in our witches. Hey, dude, there's a seagull coming.
Where?
Right back behind you, better watch out.
I felt the sandwich.
Dude, they're coming. Man, they're coming. I'd watch it. I'd watch it, dude. Don't fling it at them. Uh-oh.
Fine. Away.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
I just crapped!
Take a look at that!
That's nice. It just crapped, Drew.
Hey, crap.
It crapped. I watched the seagull take a crap.
This shit not true. That was funny. I don't care who you are.